Hey everyone, so you need a professional logo for your personal brand or for your business. So today I'm excited, really honestly speaking, that I'm thrilled to show you a 100% free AI powered tool, and it's called Namecheap Free Logo Maker. See, this is an AI powered tool that lets you create beautiful, stunning logos, professional logos in just 5 minutes. See, in just 5 minutes. And no watermarks, no hassle. And let's dive in and see how it actually works. So you can see, you can browse here some logo design templates, and here you can see 100% free, as I told you, AI logo generator and without watermark. So the steps are simply simple. These are very simple. Actually, the steps are simple. You can see the first step, like you need to choose your design where you have to put your business name and select a variety of fonts, icons, put the AI to work. So the tool will generate a variety of logo designs based on your input, and then you can customize that logo. Actually, you can pick the perfect font, and you can also select icons, color scheme to match your brand, and then you can download your free logo. That's it. So your logo is ready to use, and it's 100% free, and especially with the no watermark. This is incredible. I'm honestly speaking, this is incredible. So your brand name here, now we will type here like Iza Fatima IT Institute. Create free logo, and here you can see free logo maker. So tell us about your business to get started. So Iza Fatima IT Institute, type of business. So now here you need to type here like if it is related to education. So I will select education. As I told you in the start of video, that you need to enter your business name and select your industry. So here your industry or business, you need to select, example, it is related to apparel, fashion, clothing, then you will select this. And then now our business is related to education, so we will select education and click on continue. Now the next step, you need to choose a style, pick your favorite font. There are 1, 2, 3 fonts you can see, and this is serif typefaces, serious, classical, traditional, and trustworthy. Then sans serif typefaces, and then calligraphic also. Serif, sans serif, and this one is calligraphic, or it looks also like handwritten. And these are elegant, friendly, humble, and playful. So it's up to you. You can select anyone. So I will go with this. And then serious or fresh, the second step, pick your favorite font. So now you need to select the font here, like mature typefaces, sophisticated, serious, cultured, and elegant. Then modern typefaces, and these are clean, neutral, humble, calm, and friendly. Then also lively typefaces like energetic, youthful, and cheerful. So we will select, for example, this one. Now it's asking in the third step, like it should be thin or thick. Like thin typefaces, you can see sophisticated, elegant, soft, and humble, like this. And this is medium typefaces, and this is bold. So thin or thick you can select. So I will go with bold. And the next step, you need to pick your favorite font. Again, you can see here like playful typefaces, and these are also playful, and elegant typefaces, and these are only elegant typefaces. So you can also see like this is it looks like italic, this one, and this is like bold, this is regular. So I will go through with this one. Then organic or geometric, so you can pick your favorite font here. Organic typefaces like this, somber, creative, and neutral. And here geometric or organic typefaces, and here geometric typefaces like simple, straightforward, and blunt. So I will go with this one. Then funky or normal, you can see unconventional typefaces like spontaneous, vibrant, and creative. And then you can see funky typefaces also like energetic, friendly, and positive. And then plain typefaces like neutral, polished, trustworthy, sleek, and refined. So I will go with this one. Now, as I told you in the start of video, that you can also pick your favorite color scheme according to your brand. So I will select this one. Now it's asking if you want to add a slogan like, does the ISA Fatma IT Institute, this business have a slogan? Yes. Best institute in Pakistan. So this is the slogan. So slogan, means it represent the description, the features, the specifications of your business. So continue. Now choose icons, and here you can see some icons, and maybe these icons are relevant to your business. For instance, if these are not, then you can search here. As you know, we are creating a logo for our educational business brand. So I will type here education, and you need to click on the search. And this tool, this step actually, it will find a lot of icons, and you can select 3 favorite icons. So search and pick your 3 favorite icons. For example, related to education, this one, and I got this one, and for institute also like this one. So now we can continue with 3 icons, and here you can see now incredibly you can see results, save, edit, download, or share your logo. So it has created, the tool has created a lot of logos. Here you can see icon on the left side and the gradient background, and then you can see this and this one with one color, and this one also with gradient, this one also with gradient icon on top, and this one looks also amazing. So you can see a lot of tools, a lot of collection here with different, you can see color scheme, and which one you like, you can continue with that option. See, incredible. Just scroll down here, you can also see with even with white background. So if you need with white background, so you can select that one. Still I am scrolling down, and it's generating more logos, a number of logos now here in front of my eyes. So for instance, for example, if we like this one, so edit, download, or share. So if we click now, you can see we have a lot of customization options like color, text, slogan, icon, and layout. So each option, for example, if we open color, so you can see you can select this one. Now the color scheme has been changed. See, so it's up to you according to your requirements, like what colors you are going to use in your website. So you can select that collection of colors. See, incredible. So it looks amazing. Like I go with the, for example, this one. Okay, now this is custom color. You can see like font color if you want to change. So font color you can change here. See, the font color is changing, and icon color if you want, you can changing. You can save it, and now see, incredibly we have changed it. It's green, purple, and purple now options also there. So you can see we can select according to our requirements. So color we have changed. Now there are text options. So text you can see, for example, this now more bold, and slogan you can see best institute in Pakistan. For this you need to first go to layout, and you can see here like we have different options here. So you can select according to that option. Actually, we selected in the results close. So here you can see in this collection, if it is showing with the slogan, so you can select that one, then you can edit slogan as well, icon, and you can select icons here. See icon changing, and even for business card you can see it changing. It's changing for logo as well, for business card, and for your t-shirt design also it's changing. How it will look in your website, how it will look in when you will print, and how it will look on your website. So icon also change, and layout also you can change. So like this we can generate it, and this is very simple. And then you can sign up or log in to download. This is the last step you will need to do, and you can click on sign up. And here, like for example, username this, and password I will type, and first name, last name, and email address, and create account and continue. Username, email address, it's actually already in use, so just wait a minute, I will log in. So sign up or log in to download, and now we will sign in here. So the verification code, it will appear on your email address you need to put. So once you submit the code, so it will automatically download here, see, and it's showing enjoy your logo. So we can see this is our Fatma IT Institute. We will right click and extract files, and these are the extracted files. So now you can see your logo is here, and it looks stunning, honestly speaking. See, it's amazing font, style, and icon, background color, a lot of things, and it's free without watermark. And now we can use this logo in our website, and we can also print t-shirt with this logo, and also for business card we can use. So any business purpose we can use. So I hope you have learned a lot in this video, like how to get professional logo within few minutes, within 5 minutes. And if you're going to launch a blog website, you can use this free logo maker, and also share the video with your friends so they can also learn this skill, and they can create a logo for their business. And please subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so you will also get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.